So hello everybody. Diwali is around the corner, so we will be making origami diya, paper diya. So it's a craft workshop. So hope everybody will enjoy the session. Okay. So let's start the session. Okay. So we need one circle maker. If you don't have circle maker, you can use compass. Okay. So we need 12 circles. So you can choose any size of the circle. So what I will be doing is I am choosing around this little small. Okay. So it is around 6 centimeter diameter. So 3 centimeter radius circle I'll be making. You can use compass, or if you have circle maker, you can use that. Okay. So I need 12 circles. So that's why I'm taking an orange sheet of paper. So I'm folding it so that I will get 12 circles together. Okay. So I made one fold and I made another fold like this. So this is the A4 sheet. So I just made 2 fold of it. Okay. So I'll make 3 circles here. So when we will cut it, it will become 12. Okay. That's why we have folded the paper. So your cutting should be smooth. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Shri Shakti. Okay. Yes. So this is fine. So now I'm taking my circle maker. So which is around 3 centimeter radius. So 6 centimeter diameter. Okay. So you can make 5 centimeter circle also. It will be easy for you. So it will be good if you can take 2.5 centimeter radius. So 5 centimeter circle. Okay. So I made one circle here. So let me make it dark so that you guys can see it. And I'm making a second circle here. So just see if 3 circles are fitting on your paper. Otherwise, you can take another paper and make it. Okay. So these are the 3 circles I have made. Okay. Yeah. See, I took a A4 sheet paper and I just folded it into half. Then again, I have folded it. So these are 4 folds. So I have made 3 circles here. So now if I will get these 3 circles, then I will get 12 circles. So we need 12 circles of, what is the size? So this is 6 centimeter in diameter. So you can make smaller also. That's absolutely fine. Okay. And keep your cutting smooth. Okay. If your cutting will not be smooth, then your diya will not be smooth. It will not be balanced. Okay. So this is how you have to make 3 circles and fold the paper and get 12 circles. I'll show you. So please cut it carefully along the line. So we have folded the paper so that our task becomes easy. We don't have to cut 12 circles separately. Okay. So this way we can get the 12 circles together in one shot. If you're not able to make 3 circles together, then you can make 2 circles and make one more paper. On that paper, you can make more circles. Okay. Like this, you have to cut it. So it's not necessary that you have to make 6 centimeter circle only. You can make 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, all are okay. It depends upon the size of your diya. If you will make big circles, your diya will be big. If you will make small circles, your diya will be small size. Okay. Okay. So these are 4 plus 4, 8. And I'm going to cut 4 more. So if you have any doubt, please write it in the chat box. Okay, Sanvi is saying, can you repeat what you did? I just took a A4 sheet and I just folded, made 2 folds of it. So I took A4 sheet and I have just folded it like this. And then again, I have folded it into half like this. Okay. So your folding should be proper. It should match with the corners. Okay. All the corners should match. Then I have taken a circle maker and I drew the 3 circles. 1, 2, and 3. Like this. See, 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm just cutting it. So I will get 12 pieces of circle. So basically we need 12 circles. So you can draw it the way you want. Okay. So you can separately do 12 circles or you can just fold the paper and get 12 circles. Okay. Okay. So these are my 12 papers. Okay. So I have got 12 pieces here. I hope everybody has got it. So just fold each paper carefully into half and then just fold it again into half. So be careful when you are folding. If you will not fold it, it will not become even. Okay, if it will be up and down, then the balance will not be there for the diya. It will be little tilted. Okay. So when you are folding, make sure that all the folds are in the same line. Okay. So your fold should be neat. So just fold it into half and then again fold it into half. Match the corners very carefully and neatly. So we have to fold all the 12 pieces. So I will show you one diya. You can make as many as you want. The procedure is same. Okay, so for one diya, I have taken 12 circles. So you can take another colored paper and you can make 5 to 6 set of the diyas. So 6 centimeter was the diameter. It was not the radius. Okay. Radius is 3 centimeter. So now I'm just folding. Almost all are done. Try to fold it neatly, match the corners. Okay. So now all my folds are ready. I'm just waiting for 5 minutes. so that you guys are done, because next step is very important. So please pay attention for the next step. How we are going to paste is very important. Okay. Natik, Ritvik, Esai, Ramya, please keep your cameras on. Gravita, Medha. Okay, we are done. Okay, good. So many of you are done. So let's move on. After that, see, be careful. Please listen to me carefully. So how we have to stick it? This is one paper. It was folded like this. So keep this circular part up, and then you have to apply the glue here. Okay. So for all of the pieces, you have to follow the same procedure. So just apply it on the half, this much, that's it. Okay, on the circle side, round side. Okay, and just paste it. So don't apply too much of glue, it will come out. So this is how it will stick. Okay, so I'm following the same procedure for everything. So this is my round side up, and just apply the glue here little bit. This is more. Just press it and keep it. It will dry in seconds. So this is my round side up in the corner. Only for the half you have to apply. Don't apply till the full. Only this much you have to apply, and just press it. Okay. So this is my round side. I'm just doing it like this. So keep the round side up and apply halfway. Okay. Very little glue, and just press it. So it will stick it automatically. So again, round side up. Just press it. Only halfway, okay? Just press it. Round side up. See, you can speak in your mind so that you don't get confused, okay? So whenever you open a flap, just repeat it in your mind, round side up and halfway. So you will not get confused. Okay. Just press it. By the time you will do it, it will get dry. So apply the glue and press it. Round side up and just apply the glue halfway and press it. So it's done. Okay. So now all of my pieces are done. So just press it, okay, so that they will stick together properly. Okay, so now this is one step. Okay, I'm waiting for 1 minute, 2 minutes. Please do it. Then we will move forward. So the second step is also important. Okay, you have to understand it carefully how to stick it. Okay, Shri Shakti is saying she is done. Okay, Vaibhav is done. No? Okay. So I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Sanvi Nigam is still struggling with the circles. What happened, Sanvi? See, you can make 5 centimeter circle. That's absolutely fine. Just make a 5 cent. That means 2.5 centimeter radius. Just make a circle. Okay. So you are done with one. Okay. Actually, good if you can buy one. So it makes your work very easy and faster. Or you can take a lid also. You can just take a lid of the bowl. Okay. Okay. So now I hope everybody is done. Let's move on. Everybody please pay attention. So now one side is take. This is the where we have applied the glue. So now these two sides are open. Okay. So it should come down like this. So you have to apply glue here in a triangular shape. So I have these two pieces. So these are the two sides. Okay. So it should come down in the downward direction like this. Okay. So I will keep it like this and see it should come down. Both the pieces should come down. Please understand this carefully. It is very important. Otherwise you will get confused and you will not be able to make diya. Everybody please pay attention. Requesting again sides, and this is one side and this is your triangle of the piece. Okay, so you have to keep these two sides down and you have to apply glue here. Okay, so this position like this you have to apply the glue. So all the pieces you have to keep it like this only. So down, and this is also down, same position, and now apply the glue and stick all the pieces together. So I'm just applying the glue in the triangular shape like this, half on this side and half on that side, and just pasting it. So like this. Be careful that the open side is down and the triangle is matching. Okay. So all the pieces you have to stick accordingly. Just bring the two sides down and stick it. See, I also made a mistake. That's why you have to be very careful. So I hope everybody is getting it. So this is my two sides down like this and match the corner and just apply the glue here. Please be careful. Otherwise you will not get the diya in the proper shape. Okay. So all your this triangular part should match. Okay. Otherwise it will not be aligned and it will not get balanced. Just stick everything together. Apply the glue like this. Yes. So after this is done, we just need to make the this is how you have to apply the glue. If you have not, after the circles are done, you have to fold it into two parts. Okay. So I'll just, after this is complete, I'll show you how to fold it. So only one piece is left. We have to stick all the 12 pieces together. So keep the down part open side and match all the corners of the triangle. Okay. So what I did after the circle. See, I cut the circle and then I folded it into half. Then again I have folded it into half. Okay. So I made two fold after cutting the circle. Okay, Sanvi. Okay. So all my parts are stick together now. Now what I'm supposed to do, see, this was my corner side and this was my down side. So I will just hold it like this and stick the last part. Okay, so I'm just sticking it here and open it and stick it. So it will become a diya. So just you have to hold it for a few seconds so that the Fevicol gets dried and it gets pasted properly. So this is my diya. And now I need to make the batti for this. Okay. So for that, I'll be taking orange green में क्या? So you can take red, green or yellow, any kind of paper for making the, so I'm just making a leaf shape for the batti. Just cut a leaf. So here I have taken the green color. If you have glitter sheet, you can use glitter sheet. If you don't have glitter sheet, then prefer using the yellow color or orange color. Okay. Since my diya was orange color, so I am taking green and just stick it like this. See? Can you see? It's looking beautiful, right? So I'm just applying the glue here so that it sticks properly with the base. So this was our, just press it for a second and it will be done. Yeah. So we are done with our diya. So this is how it looks. I hope everybody has enjoyed this activity. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. So you guys please complete it. If you have any doubt. Yes, you can use gray. No, gray I will not say. Silver or golden. Golden will be better. You can use golden glitter sheet. Yes, yes. Perfect. Shri Shakti, perfect. Amazing. Beautiful. Okay. So I'll keep you guys on unmute. Okay. So you can unmute yourself and you can ask. If you have
Ma'am,
any...
actually today I have joined late, so I cannot do the diya.
Why you can
This
do...
much only see, ma'am.
Yes, yes. See, it requires little patience. It will be done. You just follow the procedure. You will be able to do it.
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, can you send?
Happened.
Ma'am, can you send the recording link so that I can watch all the steps again?
Yes, yes, yes. I will send. I will send. Don't worry. Video will be there. You can watch the video and do it again. It
Yes,
will be...
ma'am, that's because I have joined late.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, no problem. No problem. That's okay. So you can make the Diwali greeting card now. 3 p.m. session will start. So after 5 minutes, so be ready for that. This one you can watch the video and do it again. Okay.
Wait 2 seconds, ma'am. 2 minutes, wait, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how to stick that fire, ma'am, in the diya?
Yeah. So it was like this. So you have to just apply the glue in the corner. Only at the bottom you have to apply the glue and just put it inside. Okay.
It will stick, ma'am.
It will stick. It will stick. It will automatically stick.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Any
wait.
other doubt? Yes, you can complete it. By the time I'm...
Stick the batti once again.
What?
Ma'am, can you please tell how to stick the batti?
Okay, I'll show you again. So let's say this is my paper and yeah, okay. So I made it like this. So just like this and then cut it. Okay. So then you have to just apply the glue in the corner. Okay. Only at the bottom on both the sides. Then just open your diya and insert it inside like this. See? Okay. So it will stick automatically. So you can just push it. You can just push it a little bit inside. It will automatically stick. Okay. So this is my diya for today, and it is looking like Independence Day diya, the green and orange color. Okay. So let's start the next session.
Ma'am, see my diya, ma'am.
Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice, Sri Shakti. Amazing. Yes, Hitanshi, very beautiful.
5 minutes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't do it only.
See, it requires little patience because it was wet, so it will take some time to dry. Okay, so you have to do it slowly.
Ma'am,
It is not like this.
Ah, see that Fevi stick is not strong. You have to use Fevicol.